Alright, are you ready?
You know the S13?
Yeah.
The windscreen wiper, right? It goes off the windscreen. It comes off to here. So we were at a car meet the other day and we were like, we just wiped it and it all went onto some guy like standing next to the car, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, nice.
Felt bad. Alright, this is for my rear window. Sprint car hub.
Alright, let's turn the music down because we need to concentrate.
Fly in the car. Oh, why?
Alright, people.
I don't know if I want the camera on the drive or you.
No idea. Well, I've already got a camera on me, so.
Hey, I need to wait till the big corners.
Yeah, wait till we get out of the practice laps. Sliding laps, what they call them.
I love those rims that he's got.
Yeah, those rims are actually sick.
You know, I think the Kia Picanto, some 5-degree camber, 16-inch rims.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I have to say, this thing sounds pretty good for stock. Like,
it does.
It's a bit like intakey, but
just put an exhaust on it.
alright, we're on, I think. Yep. Let's go. The Golf drives are slowing themselves down, so I'll do the same. Let's line up with a Scirocco here.
Oh no, we better be pulled away from. What's this brakes look like that one?
71. Holding on. Downshift, there we go. Oh, M6 is coming in my lane.
Oh,
Nice.
M6.
A typical BMW driving on indicating.
No indicator.
Even on the track.
You don't need it.
Okay, we've got a big BMW crew in front of us now. Oh. Nah, you don't, but it's helpful to let you know where you're going.
Joking.
Oh, okay.
BMWs don't need indicators. Shit. You know that Scirocco next to us? What was wrong with his rear brakes?
I didn't see, I wasn't looking, I was focused.
Not really here.
Ah, so it's alright. Oh, we're lining up with the M6, I think.
This guy's like 70, dude. He's racing a fucking grandpa.
Perfect. GTIs are lining it up again. Come on, people.
Yeah, they want to send down the corner.
Holy.
Oh!
Yeah, he's quick.
God.
167.
They slow down so much for the corners.
I know.
They're scared because of the rear of
Yeah, I don't want to go sideways.
I'd be scared too.
This thing you can really throw into the corners, so
Yeah, it's so small.
stay on its tail. Got an M2 on our tail now. Very menacing.
It's actually pretty scary with the yellow dials.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I do like that look.
Oh, indicator.
Wow, a BMW driver using an indicator. That's incredible.
Oh, this M6 is following suit.
He is following suit. Well, we're going up against Ghost R. So Golf R versus GTI, I guess. Bit of wheel spin.
They refuse to send it in the corners, don't they?
Yeah, they really want to be careful. so, but I'm gonna carry some speed through this corner. Cars, they haven't got the... if they give any more power, then they're going to go sideways. And this thing's already now a bit of the limit, but the tyres are pretty warm, so... The M2 behind, he's having fun. He's,
a good time.
Yeah, he's staying right behind me. Although I know for a fact he's faster, so...
M2's actually surprisingly quick.
Well, yeah, it is the S60... No, the... What is it? The S60... No, S58 mode, I think.
We passed some stuff. Like literally got a BMW crew here.
M2's gone left, same with the G82 M4.
We're about to get left in the fucking dirt.
I'd assume so. Be surprised if we didn't.
The only thing you can do is carry speed through the corner.
Yeah, yeah.
That's where you can win.
Say, oh, come on! Come on! 177. Yeah, you feel in your stomach when you go around those corners. It's crazy. Keeping up the M4 up the hill though. I'm not sure if it was. I don't think it was flooring it though.
I wouldn't floor it if I was in that thing.
Yeah.
I probably would only do like 70 or 80% on the straight as well.
No, I think it'd floor it on the straight.
Straight hard floor it.
Yeah.
Which one is ever going?
All of them
Well, that was
fucking spin
one
their
too many.
wheels so much.
Yeah. Yeah, from slows, but I think from 100 they'd be fine. Unless you've tuned it like ridiculously. But then you wouldn't. Well, you want to have the right tires.
Okay.
And you want to know your car as well. You wouldn't just want to go full send.
It depends actually. If it's my car, I would take the corner slower. If someone's paying me to drive their car, like a racing car driver, I get like sponsored.
120.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full send.
Full send. Who gives a shit? Not my car.
Oh, we're being slowed down here again. So let's do the
Everyone
same.
slows down so they can go on the straight.
Yeah, yeah. Who are we lining up
Pair
against? Pairing up against an M240i. Okay, that's actually a pretty good pairing. But I think he's gonna be. You think he's tuned?
Yeah.
So.
M82 on the outside.
Oh, that's. Oh, that was a bit dodgy actually.
179.
If his tyre even touched the grass, he was gone.
Oh yeah.
100% he was gone.
That's close to full brakes.
We can get around the corners.
So yeah, we can really go around the corners. That M3 though sounds mental, man. Well, the back actually went out there a little bit. I don't know if you felt that.
I can't come from mountains here.
Lucas might have.
Lucas definitely did.
I was lift off oversteer, I think.
We did today. Looks like we're next to this GTI as well. Oh no, he's
Oh.
Jumped in behind us.
Oh, right. I think he's going off track. He's going off, yeah.
Shit, they're quick.
Bro, they're so quick.
They're quick.
Okay, Okay, there's no one behind me, so cut across to the left, but yeah, only 170. No, I don't think I'm very close to heavy braking. I mean, sorry, like full braking. We'll go outside light this time. Carry a bit more speed through the corner.
Oh, he's trying now.
Braking.
You're like coming.
Little cool down, a little bit of cool down. Stay behind this M6. Yeah, there are some sick cars out there. The M3 GTS is probably one of my favorites, apart from the M2.
I'm liking that M2 and that M4.
Yeah.
It's funny, it's almost like BMW has the best brand.
I agree.
Is that family car that's going to 200 k's an hour?
Here we go, take the impact. Whoa.
That was a good corner.
That was a good corner. Gonna take the inside line because there's no one behind me. That's this full racing line right now.
Sort it out. Oh.
Is the M6 gonna... Oh, he's gonna dodgy overtake again, isn't he? No. Oh. Too many cars.
Cool down lap, huh?
Yeah, look around, this is a go down lap. Jump in behind the M4 again. I don't know if I'm gonna make it in front of the M6, bro. He's like really far ahead now, I think. Unless he's behind us.
Oh, yeah, he's fucking gone.
Yeah, he's just zipped through the traffic.
No, the M6 is behind us.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, by a lot, though.
Oh.
You fucked him. He's gone. I think he's off track.
Oh, really?
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, maybe he's just going slow. Let's go back inside lane again, just because it's free. And I like the inside lane. Whoa, a bit of wheel spin there.
A little bit sketchy.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, I love this. Honestly, that car looks so good.
I reckon if you could send it through this corner, I reckon you'd get 195 on the straight.
Oh, look, you can probably get 200 on the straight, but there's too much traffic and you'd have to brake too late, and especially with you guys in the car, I probably wouldn't do that. If I was alone, I'd probably... Okay, we're lining up the M2 now. We are so gonna lose.
Oh, we got this. Take it through the corner. Take it through the corner.
Yeah, but there's someone in front of me.
Oh my god. He's fucking gone.
I just cut off an M4. I'm really sorry.
179. That M2 is fucking rapid.
Yeah.
We're 12 minutes in. That's 3 more laps? 2 more laps?
Yeah, probably about 2 more laps. Lane, I'm behind.
Oh,
What's that guy's number plate? 15. Oh, German. So we're gonna cut behind these guys. I know they're gonna go quick, so I can actually open this thing up. Still leave a bit of a gap just because they are.
The only way we're gonna. Oh, that's what's down for.
No, them 3. Wow, wheel spinning. God damn it. He shouldn't have gone in front of me there. That was unsafe from his perspective and mine. So I just slow down.
mad camber on its front wheel.
Yeah, I think that's a drift, more drift car than a track car. I'm just gonna stay on this M3 last now.
Yeah. Get it.
Holy. You know you're going fast when the sensors are popping off.
Hell yeah. We're almost doing 110
Yeah, well that's the limit. To be fair, they did up it. So it used to be 100, now it's 110. I mean, it's not much, but it's... At least it's something.
They haven't blocked it off yet. That means 2 more laps. 14 minutes.
Oh,
That was wide.
that was pulling.
Poor Golf.
Huh?
Poor
No, it's doing it.
It's doing it.
Yeah.
Feel bad.
Oh, line up for the C63.
I reckon so. No, yeah, that BMW's gonna take it.
Come on.
C63 is fast, but not that fast. Oh! Oh shit!
Damn! What the hell?
What the?
It's an M4. Oh, shut up, auto braking. Yeah, it's not liking it. Dang it, it just cut me. It cut power when it does that. Which, I mean, I'm sure it's a safety system, but like...
Fuck yeah.
Whoa, that was a bit of a bump. Get him around the corner. Oh, no. That was pushing a bit hard. Okay, we'll calm down a little bit. Okay, this is good. This is now a bit clear, so hopefully we can get some speed around the corner here.
Last.
Oh, does he see you want to line it up?
Line it up, but we're not gonna win.
Alright, let's go.
Bye-bye. Yeah, sorry, that was a... Oh, he's still gonna catch me though. He's gonna go flying by. There's a flag. We'll try and get a top speed, yeah. 180.
I think I saw 183.
Alright. Oh, alright.
183 there, then 170 around the